Now, question of the day: how can solve limit-based problem if limit x tends to infinitive? Okay, root of x plus root x minus root x. How can solve this type of problem? Look here very carefully. First of all, if you put x this equal to infinitive, then we got infinity minus infinitive. Okay, I know that infinity minus infinitive is also indeterminate form. Okay, but if you not apply here directly L'Hospital rule, because of we not get 0 by 0 form directly, so you can x replace to h. Otherwise you can solve this question with the help of conventional approach. If you're interested in you can solve this one with the help of L'Hospital's rule. So first of all, x replace to 1 by h, and here x tends to infinitive, then h tends to 0. Then you can, after that you can solve. Okay, but we are interested only conventional approach. So how can do? Simply, if rationalize our target, first target, how can eliminate numerator roots? So if multiply and divide by, first of all you can write now here limit x tends to infinitive. So numerator is x plus root x, and what about that value? Simply x. But what about denominator? Simply x root of x plus root x plus root x. Now after that, limit x tends to infinitive. Here root x divided by, if root x is common, okay, then what is happening here? Simply written here 1 plus 1 upon root x plus 1. Clear or not? Sometimes student face, sir, how can say if here root x common, then why written 1 by root x? Look here root plus root x. Clear? So how can solve? Simply, if you want to common root x, so what is the meaning of that one? So simply here root x into root x divided by how much? Multiply root x divided by root x, and this x is also written root x to the whole square. So if root x is common, then what happening here? Under root 1 plus 1 upon root x. I hope so understand. Okay, if here root x common, then we got how much? Under root of 1 plus 1 upon root x, and here also root x common, so simply 1. I hope so understand how can take the common. Now next target, limit x tends to infinitive. Root x cancel, so here 1 upon 1 plus, now put x is equal to infinitive, so 1 plus 1 by root infinitive plus 1. So we got how much? 1 upon 1 plus root of 1 plus 0 plus 1. So basically 1 by 2. 1 upon 2 is the right answer. Make it.